Good evening, heathens. Derek here, and today we got our first official unboxing and review webcam. I know you guys have probably seen right now what I'm using as webcam is the Kinect, which is an amazing webcam, but has its limitations because it's bulky, it's big. Okay. Also with these auto tracking gimbals down here, the auto tracking mounts. It has a hard time moving. Plus, the plug is so ungodly big that it actually knocks things down behind my desk. So it was time to upgrade. Okay. All right. Amcrest 1080p webcam. All right, unboxing it. Webcam. Pretty generous cord length. That's good. This right here, this is the privacy cover. It actually has double-sided tape on it, which is kind of cool. And this should just be a plug and play. The best part about it, from me at least, is it has 1/4 mounting hole. So you can mount it on pretty much anything that you would mount a camera on, which is good, and actually the reason why I wanted it. Alright, well, we're going to hook this thing up. The mic is supposed to be good. That's why it was recommended to me. The camera is going to be a 1080p, which, you know, I'm not going to expect anything more than that. I'm not going to stream in 4K. Alright, so it was literally just a plug and play. I threw it in my, the USB, and it was done. Hooked it up. Took about 2 seconds. You might have to go into your settings and You might have to go into your settings and make sure you click privacy OK for your new microphone and everything. You might have to screw with, you know, making sure if you get a new webcam that it'll record your audio. But other than that, mine was already set up for that, so I was good. Yeah, I mean, for what this is, absolutely. 100%. Good job, Amcrest. Okay, so I figured I would start the second part of this. It took me a day to figure out how to do it exactly, to do it right. I'm going to show you the difference between the built-in webcam, which is what I have right now on my laptop, on one of my HP laptops, versus the Amcrest, the one that I've been reviewing. And as you can see, the one that I have right now is a little bit grainy. It's not as good. It's not as good as quality. So right now I'm going to switch it out. Stop this. All right, the webcam's in device number 1, the first HP, and so far it looks a heck of a lot better. It doesn't have that grainy texture at all. If you're seeing the color off, I have natural light going on right now. If the regular lights were on, it wouldn't be like that. But yeah, this a lot better than it was for sure. So yeah, it's time to put it in the other and its brother, the other HP, and we'll see how that goes. But I'm sure it'll be the same. Like, you know, it's going to be a difference. Alright guys, this is my other HP. This is the stock again. It's a little less grainy than its brother over here, but still it leaves a lot to be desired. So we're gonna plug this bad boy in. Now, if you guys are wondering how I'm switching to a different webcam, because it took me a minute to figure it out, I had to go into Device Manager and went into camera, and I figured out which one was the HP's camera by. It actually says HP, but on some computers you might have to actually figure it out. And then I just right-clicked and disabled. So if you do get a better webcam and you decide that you want to use that instead of the one that's already on your laptop or PC, for me at least, that was the easiest way. I went in typed in Device Manager down at the little search bar, and from there just disable the device. And then if you want to re-enable, all you got to do is just go back in and re-enable it whenever you want. And yeah, that looks pretty damn good in there too. I think that's a very big difference, especially on the other one. This one is not quite as extreme, but on that other one, oh my god, it was. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely liking this as far as a come up. Wow, you never know how bad something is until you get something new, right? So Amcrest, yeah, good job, especially for the price. That's amazing. Doing videos online, you never want to look like a schmuck anyway, you know. Um, a lot of the time, I just use my phone, but you know, it's coming to the point now where I got to start using the computer because my videos are getting longer and longer, and the space is just getting eaten up on my phone.